Hi, welcome back. If you're gonna have to render a big screen of urban planning project or even urban design, if you have so many trees like this, and there would be a lot of proxy. So maybe your computer cannot handle this situation, this file. And in this video, I'm gonna show you a way to try to lighten down this file by using Proxy. And when you hit render, all these trees just appear when rendering, but not when you work. And for example, here I am explaining to you that for example, just one tree, we're gonna have 100 poly, but if we have 1,000 trees, it's gonna be like million polys, etc. So we just need to save one tree only, but display it multiple times. And for example, I have a tree model here. You see that it's very a lot of poly here. So now we're gonna reduce the mesh of the object here. So I'm gonna attach them into just one object only. Right click, attach as normal. That's it. And just one object now. Now I'm gonna move the coordinate down. Yep. Okay. So right click and choose Vray Mass Export. On the window will open and you choose the output folder for the new file. And for example, in my project, I put it here. And please notice that you have to maybe you have to rename the file to separate from the original. And next is take here. When you hit OK, it's gonna release the memory for the tree, because it's gonna reduce the poly of the tree, so the file will be so much smaller. You see, I'll show you. Okay, and here you can see that the maximum of faces or even the poly is not very much, so okay. And yeah, you see that? You see that our command that just applying to the object. You see now I'm gonna have the original file over 26 megabyte, and now the new file. You see, it's so much smaller. Just half a megabyte. And this mesh gonna be allotted when you hit render the screen, not when you're working with the model. with the project anymore. So I'm just checking on a few configuration. You can see that the some proxy display many kind of displaying the model. For the point is very clear, but it's actually when you put in the big project, it's gonna mess your project up because you cannot observe, you cannot know whatever it is. Yeah, and then we choose Proxy. Just follow my step and have a play with it because I'm just setting up a camera for rendering. I assume that you already know about some rendering. Yeah, you see? This is the tree. Now I'm gonna multiply that tree. We're gonna use bounding box for displaying the tree to multiply. Yeah, I'm gonna make it 10. And no more like array. Bum, 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 bum. Now you see? Very quick. Just check some type of rendering to see what happens. Still working? Okay, I'm gonna multiply it another time to get more trees, to see how powerful this command, this tool is. You can also create a forest by this tool without using so much resources or computing power. Yeah, you see, with the big screen you're gonna have a lighter file. If you try to delete the mesh, let me try. Alright, and now I'm gonna render it, and you see there's nothing. So because I already delete the mesh, so there's nothing to load while rendering. And yeah, get it back. The tree is back. Perfect. Even you rotate the view, you change perspective. Yes, and that's it.